Welcome to my home. Thank you. May I ask some question? Yes, of course. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Do you drink tea? Yes, I drink. Do you read a book? Yes, I read a book. Do you run fast? Do you play hockey? Yes, I play hockey. Do you cook food? Yes, I cook. Do you drive a car? Yes, I drive a car. Do you drink alcohol? No, no, I don't. Do you eat food in the morning? No, I don't. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. How is our video? Please give me feedback. Thank you for all viewers. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.